Do you want fast access to your downloads folder in Windows 11? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a download shortcut right beside the power button in the start menu, so it's always just one click away. So no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. All right, so over here in Windows 11, we need to go ahead and open up our settings. So head down to your start menu here at the bottom. I find the easiest way is to right click on it rather than left click. So right click and you should see the settings option here. You can go ahead and open that up. Now, once your settings are open, over on the left-hand side, we are looking for personalization right here. You can go ahead and select that. And then under personalization, if you come further down, you should see the option that says start. You can left click on that. And under the start, you should see the option here towards the bottom. It says folders. These folders appear on the start next to the power button. So if you open that up, it's going to give you a whole bunch of options that you can turn on. So there's some toggle switches here. We're looking for the downloads option here. So if we go ahead and toggle that on right here, there's a little toggle switch. It'll turn blue once it's on. Now, once that's on, if we open up our start menu, you can see that now we have a downloads icon right here at the bottom. Really quick access to it. You can just click on that and our downloads will open up. And really it's that simple to add a downloads icon in your start menu here in Windows 11. So hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.